everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Andrea, and this week I am bringing you 6 videos. So you will have a new video Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. I'm going to be doing my weekly cleaning schedule where I, throughout the week, clean the whole house, but it's how I can get it all done a little bit every day, along with doing just my daily cleaning things. So we have, if you don't know, we have 3 kids, a daughter that's 10, a son that's 7, and then our baby that is 16 months. And we have busy schedules, and our baby doesn't really sleep very much. So I can't just set aside a day where I clean everything and get it all done at once. So I just have like one extra task every day that I focus on, along with just my daily cleaning things that I do. So the first thing that I do every day is make all of the beds. I do make our kids' beds too because I just like how I do it better than they do. I also try and put away any clothes or anything like that. I had clothes hanging up upstairs that were drying, all the good clothes. And then today Amelia actually took a nap, so I was able to hustle and get the living room cleaned up while she was sleeping, put away all the toys, and I was able to clean off the dining room table too. Our closest Sam's Club is like an hour away, so it seems like I always have a Sam's Club box somewhere in the house because I order our toilet paper and most of our cleaning supplies from there, which is super convenient. And then this morning Xavier cleaned his folder out on the table and just left everything laying there, so I had to put all that away. And usually Sophia's backpack is sitting on there too. So I just put all of their stuff on the steps and they put it away when they get home from school. So as you saw in the beginning of the video, on Mondays, I deep clean the bathroom. So that includes cleaning the counter, the mirror, the toilet, the shower. I dust all of the wood and just like clean every surface in the bathroom. So what I like to do first is spray down the shower. I put all of the shampoo and the soap bottles on the floor, because I do end up washing those too, but I just spray everything down really good so it can really like work and soak in while I'm cleaning the rest of the bathroom. Then I'll go over to the countertop and put away anything that doesn't belong out on the counter. And so whether it goes in like the dirty clothes or the cabinet or wherever, I just put it away. And then I totally clear off the counter, and I like to use this aerosol spray for the mirror, so I don't really like to have the toothbrushes sitting on the counter when I spray it, but it works really, really well to get the mirror clean. And I just use a paper towel too. I don't really like to use like microfiber cloths in the bathroom just because my hair is always everywhere, so I don't want hair to be stuck in all of the rags. I sprayed down the counter with the Method Anti-Bac counter spray, and then I'm just using like the heavy duty sponge with a scrubber on one side to clean off the counter, and that really helps to get like the toothpaste out of the sink and all that gross stuff that gets left behind. And you guys, I do apologize, I have like a sinus infection right now, so if you hear me sniffling or I sound like I'm out of breath, I'm sorry. It's because my head is so plugged up. Once I'm done scrubbing the counter with the sponge, then I go in with just dry paper towels and I wipe everything down so that it's all nice and dry. And there's like a mirror hanging up there in the bathroom, and I wiped that off and dusted it. And then I just take all of the stuff that goes on the counter. I know it looks like we have a lot of stuff on our counter, but there's not really anywhere else to put it. So I take everything and I wipe it off. I do go into the kitchen and wash out our toothbrush holder. And yeah, I just use that damp paper towel to wipe everything that goes on the counter, wipe it off. So then I sprayed down the toilet with that same anti-bac method spray. And then while that is soaking on the toilet, I cleaned out the toilet with one of the Clorox wand cleaning pads. And then I used paper towels to just wipe down the toilet. Alright, on to the shower. I seriously hate cleaning the shower. I would rather do anything else in the house, not like other than cleaning the shower. I really don't like doing it. But I just use that same sponge that I used on the counter to scrub all the surfaces down. I use the scratchier side to do it, just to try and get some of that soap scum off of the shower in the tub. And then I wiped off all of the shampoo bottles and the conditioner bottles and the soap bottles, and then I just went back through with a dry paper towel and dried all the surfaces off in the shower, and then dried off each bottle and put it back in its place. Now I'm using the Method wood cleaning spray and just going through and spraying down every cabinet and wiping it down, and then I did all of the baseboards too. I did wash the floor too, but for some reason it didn't record that. I think I double hit the record button and so it didn't record. But I did wash the floor. So that is what I do for deep cleaning the bathroom once a week, and then the rest of the week I just do a quick wipe down. And the never-ending task of cleaning the kitchen. Seriously, how many times a day do you clean the kitchen? I usually do it at least twice. I probably unload and load the dishwasher 2 or 3 times, depending on if Nick is home or if it's the weekend or anything like that. But I just feel like I'm constantly cleaning the kitchen, so usually I'll leave that for last, which I don't know if that's a good idea or a bad idea, but I usually do that. So I don't always like to leave the kitchen dirty at night. Sometimes I do, but I would say 9 out of 10 days I clean the kitchen before we go to bed, just so I don't have a big mess to wake up to. So I'm telling everybody else what to do to try and get stuff done so that we can go to bed. I do have to say though, if Nick is home, he is really good about cleaning the kitchen, and usually after school or before supper, the kids will unload the dishwasher. I don't really love them to load the dishwasher just because sometimes they do it in a weird way and stuff doesn't really fit, or then it doesn't really get clean. So I clean the counters with the Method Granite countertop cleaner. This one seems to do the best out of any of them that I've tried. It with the dark granite, it's hard to get a cleaner that doesn't make them streaky, and the Method one does a really good job, and it smells really good too. A lot of dishes that I don't put in the dishwasher. There's 3 little saucepans that I don't like to put in the dishwasher because the handles are kind of brittle, and then the lids for them, Amelia's plates, certain coffee cups, things like that. All of her bottles I wash by hand. So even though the dishwasher is full, I would still wash whatever doesn't fit in there by hand just to have it all out of the way, so then it's not overlap for tomorrow for starting the dishwasher and trying to keep stuff caught up and clean.
moment, holding out for something golden. Found a light on a hill. I was waking up, looking for peace in a world that's divided. Gotta hold on tight when you find it. I was turning around, I was waking up. You're pulling me right in. Rotate to
Alright, the kitchen is finally done. It seems like some nights it takes a lot longer to get the kitchen clean than other nights, and this one was one of those nights. So I have my Theraflu sitting there, so I'm gonna go and drink that, and hopefully it'll help me sleep a little bit better. And I have my list written out for tomorrow, so I know all of the things that I need to get done right away, and I can start working on it. So I'm just gonna sit down and fold towels, like always, fold the never-ending bottomless basket of clothes, and catch up on my shows from the week. So thank you for watching, and I hope you stick around for the rest of the week to see all of our little daily cleaning tasks. So thanks for watching. Bye.
when you leave in my mind, I rewind it. When you got it this good, you don't fight it. When you're with me, nothing else matters. On gray days, I live in your laughter. I collide with your heart.